Herbs and spices are everyday life. Natural is the mystic, I and I me in a heights. Oh yeah, natural I am on the highway. If you're looking at me, you know me highway.
Hi everyone, welcome to my program, Your Health is Your Wealth, with me, Real Empress Yudah. On this program, we look at some of the foods we eat or do not eat, their origin, and their health benefits. Today we look at turmeric, Curcuma longa, a rhizomatous herbaceous perennial flowering plant of the ginger family. It is native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia and requires temperatures between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius, 68 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and a considerable amount of annual rainfall to thrive. So, turmeric, when cut, has a deep golden orange color, and like I said, it is from the ginger family, so it looks quite similar to ginger. Turmeric is often boiled, sun-dried, and then grounded into a powder form. The grounded powder has a peppery, warm flavor and a mild fragrance. Turmeric is the main ingredient in curry powder and can be used as a coloring agent. So, turmeric has numerous health benefits. Curcuminoids are the main phytochemicals that give turmeric its most impressive and wide-ranging health benefits. Turmeric provides an abundance of antioxidants which supports cellular health. Here we look at some of the most well-researched health benefits of turmeric. So 1. It promotes balanced mood. It helps to heal wounds. It eases aches and discomfort. Encourages balanced blood sugar. Soothes irritated tissue. Loosens stiff joints. Encourages normal lipid levels. And supports the stomach lining. And those are just a few of the numerous health benefits of turmeric. Please continue with your research and do leave your comments in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And did you know of this wonder spice? Have you ever seen it in your local supermarket and has actually mistaken it for ginger? Well, I actually consume turmeric. I do drink it as a nice cup of tea, which does keep the cold away. Blessed love, and I'm out for now. Like always, look after yourself and always remember, your health is your wealth. I'm out for now. Real Empress Yudah.